Ever wondered why shipping costs fluctuate so much? Why does the same package cost twice as much depending on the route, mode, or season? Welcome to 10 Minutes for Supply Chain, where we simplify complex supply chain concepts. Today we will break down the key components of shipping costs under different shipping modes like air, sea, rail, road, and courier services, and provide real-world examples and formulas to help businesses estimate their shipping expenses accurately. Stay with us till the end because we'll also give you tips and tricks how to reduce total shipping costs. Let's start. Key components of shipping costs. Shipping costs comprise multiple elements which vary based on the shipping mode, weight, volume, and distance. Below are the primary components that make up the total shipping price. Let's understand each in detail. 1. Base freight cost. This is the primary charge for transporting goods from the origin to the destination. It is calculated based on weight, per kilogram, volume, cubic meters, or a combination of both. Example, a shipping company charges $2 per kilogram for air freight or $100 per cubic meter for ocean freight. 2. Fuel surcharge. Carriers impose fuel surcharges to account for fluctuating fuel prices, usually expressed as a percentage of the base freight cost. Formula: fuel surcharge equals fuel surcharge percentage times base freight cost. Example, if the fuel surcharge is 15% and the base freight cost is $500, then the fuel surcharge is $500 times 0.15 equals $75. 3. Customs duties, tariff, and taxes. Duties aka tariffs and taxes are imposed by the importing country, usually calculated based on the declared value of goods. Formula: customs duty equals declared value times duty rate. Example, if you are importing goods worth $5,000 with a 10% duty rate, the customs duty is $5,000 times 0.10 equals $500. 4. Handling and documentation fees. These include charges for preparing shipping documents, e.g., bill of lading, customs clearance, import, export permits. Can be a fixed fee or percentage-based. Example, a freight forwarder may charge $50 per shipment for documentation. 5. Warehousing and storage costs. Temporary storage costs if the shipment is held before final delivery. Example, a warehouse charges $5 per pallet per day for storage. 6. Last-mile delivery charges. Covers the cost of transporting goods from the port or distribution center to the final destination. Example, a trucking company charges $2 per mile for delivery. 7. Insurance costs. Optional but recommended to protect against loss, damage, or theft. Formula: insurance cost equals declared value times insurance rate. Example, if goods are worth $10,000 and the insurance rate is 0.5%, then insurance cost is $10,000 times 0.005 equals $50. 8. Additional fees and surcharges. Peak season surcharge, higher demand periods. Port congestion fees, delays at busy ports. Hazardous material fees, for shipping dangerous goods. Example, a peak season surcharge of $100 per container may apply during the holiday season. Shipping cost calculation by mode. Shipping costs vary depending on the mode of transport. Below is a breakdown of cost calculations for different shipping methods. 1. Air freight cost calculation. Air freight is expensive but fast. Costs are calculated based on chargeable weight, either actual or volumetric weight. Formula: chargeable weight equals max, actual weight, volumetric weight. Volumetric weight kg equals length times width times height in cm/6000. Total air freight cost equals chargeable weight times rate per kg plus fuel surcharge plus other fees. Example, 50 kilogram shipment 100 centimeters times 50 centimeters times 40 centimeters. Volumetric weight equals 100 by 50 by 40/6000 is equal to 33.3 kg. Chargeable weight equals max, 50 kilograms, 33.3 kilograms equals 50 kilograms. Rate per kg equals $5. Air freight cost equals 50 times $5 equals $250. 2. Sea freight cost calculation. Sea freight is cost-effective for bulk shipments. Charges are based on full container load, FCL, or less than container load, LCL. Example, 20-foot container cost, $2,500, FCL. LCL rate, $50 per cubic meter. Cargo volume, 3 cbm. Total LCL cost, 3 times $50 equals $150. 3. Road freight cost calculation. Trucking is used for domestic and cross-border transportation. Formula: trucking cost equals rate per mile times distance plus other fees. Example, rate per mile, $2. Distance, 500 miles. Total cost, $2 times 500 equals $1,000. 4. Rail freight cost calculation. Rail is suitable for bulk inland transport. Example, rate per ton, 5 cents per mile. Cargo weight, 20 tons. Distance, 800 miles. Total cost, 5 cents times 20 times 800 is equal to $800. 5. Courier services, FedEx, DHL, UPS. Courier services use chargeable weight and distance-based pricing. Example, 10 kilograms package, rate, $15 per kilogram. Fuel surcharge, 10%. Base cost, 10 times $15 equals $150. Fuel surcharge, $150 times 0.10 equals $15. Total cost, $165. Calculating total shipping cost. The total shipping cost is the sum of all cost components for the chosen mode of transport. Businesses must consider base freight rates, surcharges, customs duties, insurance, handling fees, and last-mile delivery charges to estimate accurate shipping expenses. Now let's apply these costs in a real-world shipping scenario. Suppose you're shipping a 20-foot container of apparel from China to New York. Here's what the total cost could look like. Cost component. Example cost. Freight rate ocean, $3,000. Fuel surcharge, $500. Customs and tariffs, $1,500. Warehousing, $600. Handling fees, $200. Insurance, $400. Last mile delivery, $800. Total shipping cost, $7,000. So in this case, your total shipping cost is $7,000, but remember, costs change based on season, fuel prices, and routes. How to reduce shipping costs. Want to cut shipping expenses? Here's how smart companies do it. Choose the right mode. Ocean freight is cheaper but slower. Air freight is fast but costly. Negotiate carrier contracts. Bulk shipping gets lower rates. Optimize packaging. Reduce weight and dimensions to lower fees. Use freight consolidation. Combining shipments reduces handling fees. Now that you understand how to calculate shipping costs, you can make smarter logistics decisions. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Want exclusive deep dives, expert interviews, and live Q&A sessions? Join our channel membership for premium insights and behind-the-scenes content. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge with shipping costs? Let's discuss. Ship airplane package. See you in the next video.